Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today we are at Alvin, this project that we're working on with Tiffany White of Mid-City Design Group. So I wanted to do a quick check-in and see what we've accomplished here so far this week. So right now I'm standing on a new concrete pad that is 25 by 30 feet. And this is going to be used for a shed to store all of their ATVs and lawn equipment and things. In our previous video, as you remember, Tiffany had mentioned that originally when they built their main house, this existing structure was going to be the shed for all of that equipment. However, Tiffany had a great idea to build them a guest house, so she brought me in on that because it has a lot of potential. So that's what we did here. This is completed, and we're going to be putting a prefabricated shed on here. It's going to be great storage for them. Now let's go inside and see what we completed in there this week. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, we have completed the framing, rough plumbing, and electrical. And we have recently just completed the HVAC. So the original plan was to put in a 3-ton unit, which we have decided after talking with the designer and the rest of my team that for efficiency purposes, a 5-ton would be much better. So we completed that. And then the next is going to be moving on to insulation and sheetrock. So stay tuned for more from this project.